Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and tonight I did a video on how to do something like this. So I'm measuring as a little more than 30 inches, so we're going to change our nudge factor to 32. And then these items, so this is going to be the boundary tool. These items are not grouped together, so we're going to select them all, and we're going to hit the boundary tool, and then we're going to move the boundary out of the way. Then we're going to go to Effects and Contour. We're going to contour the outside with rounded corners 2 inches, just one step, and you get that shape. Go up to Object, break Contour apart, move the contour back. Let's go ahead and get rid of our boundary. And then you can take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in, or you get that shape, or we can take the boundary and fill it in with a green, and then go to Object, Order, Back a Page, and that's the way if you were a printer. And then I would always right-click No Outline, so it would be just the colors. Pretty cool effect. The boundary tool and the contour tool. Hope that helped.